Good morning, students. We shall pass on to the problem number 11 now. In problem number 11, compute income from subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars. Compute the income. See, in the last class, we have seen three problems. In all the three problems, how will these items will appear in the final accounts or income and expenditure account for the year ending? It is given in problem number 8. And in problem number 9, how will the following items will appear in the final accounts? Final accounts means in this chapter, accounts of not-for-profit organization, we should prepare income and expenditure account. Likewise, in 10 also, how will the following items appear in the final account? So for 10 also, we prepared income and expenditure account and balance sheet. But for 11, what is the question given there? Compute income from subscription. So we should calculate the income from subscription. So we should prepare only income and expenditure account for this problem number 11. You should bear it in mind. Okay, 11, we should prepare now income and expenditure account. What heading we should write? In the books of. If there is any name given, we can write, but in this problem, no name is given. Income and expenditure account for the year ended, the date is given for the year 2018, but under it there is a date given 31/12/2018. Therefore, for the year ended 31/12/2018. This is the heading we should write. Once again, I should point out a mistake what you will do in the examination also. When you write receipts and payments account, you will write receipts here, payments there. But in income and expenditure account, when you write the heading income and expenditure, you should not write here income and expenditure there, but expenditure this debit side and the income on the credit side. Don't confuse yourself in receipts and the payment in the order. But whereas in income and expenditure account, you should not write that income and expenditure there, but debit side, that is left hand side expenditure and the right hand side income you should write. In most of the problems, we don't use the debit side when we talk about the subscription. But you should draw the format and keep the space vacant. Don't think we need only the credit side of the income and expenditure account, so we can draw that alone. Better you draw the columns for both the sides and use the side which is required for it. Here in this problem, we talk about the subscription. The subscription is an income, so we are using the income side now. What is given there in the problem? Listen. Under the tabular column, subscription received during the year 2018, that is during this year ended 2018 45,000 by subscription. The amount received is 45,000. And there is a tabular column given. Listen very carefully. I hope you are having the textbook with you while you are listening to the video. Yes, now there is a tabular column given under problem number 11. You see, on 1/1/2018 outstanding 3,000 and 31/12/2018 the same outstanding is 5,000. You should remember clearly what is there. On 1/1/2018, if there is any outstanding, it must be of the previous year. What happened yesterday is the beginning of this day. நேற்று என்ன முடிஞ்சதோ அதுதான் வச்சுதான் இன்னைக்கு பிசினஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கும். So here 1/1/2018 outstanding means it must be 31/12/2017. It must be 31/12/1/1/18. This must be what? 31/12/17. That is the last year end. So this is the outstanding for the previous year. Must remember. I said in the income and expenditure account, whatever the amount connected with the account for which we are preparing only should be written there, not the other year's income. You must bear it in mind, very important point. We are preparing the account for 2018. So we should write the amount connected with this year 2018 only should be written there. But for 17, no. But for 19, no. So if there is any amount left with for 2018, we should add. If it is any amount connected with 17 or 19, we should less. This is important. 18 சம்பந்தமானதா இருந்ததுன்னா ஆட் பண்ணிக்கணும். 17 19 இருந்ததுன்னா we should minus, that is less. So in that case, this is outstanding on 1/1/2018. So this is for the previous year. Less outstanding 2017, that is 1/1/18. For the year 2017, that is 3,000, so minus it. So 42,000. The same straight line, horizontal line. On 31/12/2018, it is 5,000. So this you should add outstanding. (2018). This is connected with the current year. Therefore, we should add what is the amount given there? 5,000. Now add. This will be, the total will be 47,000. See, go to the next line below it, next horizontal line. What is that? Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance on 1/1/2018. Listen carefully. If it is 1/1/18, this is 31/12/17. These two are one and the same regarding this problem preparation of this account. So here 1/1/18 means 31/12/17. Last year it means. Last year it is received in advance means it is received for the current year. நேற்று முன்னாலேயே வாங்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அது என்னைக்கு வாங்கியிருக்கோம்னு அர்த்தம்? இன்னைக்கு வாங்கியிருக்கோம்னு அர்த்தம். So the subscription received in advance, that is 1118 or 311217, received in advance means it is for the year 18 for which we are preparing the account. Therefore, once again we can add received in advance. Received in advance, that is for in 2017 for 2018, the amount is 4,000. In 18, the next amount, the 7,000 you see. Subscription received in advance on 31/12/2018. At the end of this year, we are receiving some subscription in advance. Therefore, it is for the next year 2019. Subscription received in advance in 17 means for 18. If the subscription received in advance in 18 means it is for the coming year 19. So this 19 it is received, it is not connected with this year, it is not the subscription related to this year, therefore you minus it, less received in advance, received in advance in 2018 for 2019. The amount is 7,000. So you add these two, you will get 51,000. From 51,000 you minus 7,000, you will get 44,000. This is the final amount of income and expenditure account. This is what we have to find out. Once again, I repeat or I shall highlight some points. From the top, this is in the books of, you should write always in these types of problem. If there is any name given, name of the club or association or mandram is given, we can write it. This is income and expenditure account for the year ended. For the year 2018 it is given, but the last date that is given there 31/12/2018. On the top we are writing income and expenditure account, but when we start writing the heading of the tabular column, you should write expenditure then income there. Debit side expenditure, credit side income you should write. You should bear in mind, this is an important point. Now, what is the total subscription received? Subscription received during the year 2018 is 45,000. Subscription received. Subscription received during the year is 45,000. Subscription received. And out of this 45,000, what are the amounts included in it? For that there is a tabular column given. There are two lines. If you go through the book, you can find that there are two lines. One outstanding subscription, other one is subscription received in advance. So the first one we shall attend the outstanding subscription. If the subscription outstanding is on 1/1/2018, then 1/1/18 is nothing but 31/12/17. That is the outstanding for the previous year. Therefore, what we must do? We should minus it. If it is for other years, we should minus. If it is of the current year, that is account preparation year, we should add it. So this is for 2017. So you minus it. You will write 45 minus 3, 42,000. Then the same line, subscription outstanding on 31/12/2018 on this date. There is some subscription outstanding, therefore that outstanding amount is related to this year, therefore you add 42 plus 5, 47,000. So the first line is over. Go to the second line. It talks about the subscription received in advance. So what is that? Add received in advance in the year 1/1/2000 on 1/1/2018. What is on 1/1/2018? 2018 means 31/12/17. So on 31/12/17, that is last year, some amount is received in advance. So if anything is received in advance, it is for 18. For 18 only we are preparing this account. Therefore, this is meant for this year. Add received in advance in 2017 for 2018. Therefore, 4,000 and 47 plus 4, 51,000. Then the same subscription received in advance on 31/12/2018. 31/12/2018. That is the accounting year end. On the accounting year end, some amount is received in advance means it must be for the year 2019. So it is not connected or related to this year. Therefore, less received in advance 2018 for 2019. So minus it, you will get 44,000. That's all.